Hello, welcome to this How Do I video that will explain how to use Microsoft Dynamics NAV Management Portal web services with Microsoft Visual Studio. In this video, you will learn how to work with the Microsoft Dynamics NAV Management Portal web services using Microsoft Visual Studio. We will get there by going through these simple steps. First, generate web service access key. Second, locate a web reference URL to be used in your Visual Studio solution. Third, create a simple Visual Studio Console application. Fourth, consume the web service and inspect the results. To create a web service access key token, you have to simply click Actions in the Home items of the Microsoft Dynamics NAV Management Portal and then click on Web Service Access Action. Then click on Generate, and whether or not you already have in place a Web Service Access Key, it will prompt you the current Web Service Access Key will not be valid after editing. All clients that use it have to be updated. Just click Yes on this warning message, and in the Set Web Service Access Key model page, you can set up whether if your brand new Web Service Access Key token has a key expiration date or if the key never expires. For the sake of this example, just click on Key Never Expires and click OK. A brand new Web Service Access Key will be generated. Just select this field, copy, and paste it into a notepad, because we will reuse it in our Microsoft Visual Studio solution. To retrieve web services URL endpoints, you just have to simply click on the search action on the top right and then type web service. And this will show the web service list. This will enlist all available Microsoft Dynamics NAV Management Portal operational web services. Please note that some of the services might not be available or accessible for you because of those are intended for internal references only and for surface purposes. In our Microsoft Visual Studio Console application that we will develop in few seconds, we are just in need to select the link of the application web service, the second one enlisted here, and then click on copy link and then paste it together to the web service access key token that we have already collected. We will now create our brand new Visual Studio Console application using Microsoft Visual Studio 2013. In order to do so, just click on New Project and select Console Application. Then change the name to WS Console App. Maintain Create Directory for Solution and then click OK. The first things that you have to do right now, it is just to create a web references to your web services. In order to do this, you just have to copy the URL that we have previously collected and then click on References and right-click, Add Service References, click on Advanced, click on Add Web Reference and paste the URL that we have just collected previously. And then click in the Go To button. This will contact the web services that will ask you for credentials. The credentials are the name that you have in the portal and the web service access key token. You just have to copy that and then paste it and then check Remember My Credentials. If you click OK, then the Web Server Discovery Services will prompt you many times that the server needs to authenticate your request, and your credential will be sent to the server in clear text. Do you want to continue? Yes. And then you will be prompted many times to discover credential until you find out that you have a WSDL in your Add Web References page. When the WSDL is fully loaded, you just have to right click and click on Allow Blocked Content and click Yes in order to show completely the URL and the validation schema. In the web references name, give a valid name to your web references to your console application solution, such as WS application, and then click Add Reference. Your web service references will be listed under the web references in the Solution Explorer. And now it is time to add some code to our Microsoft Visual Studio Console application. The first 4 lines of code are just used to gather application feeds from console. Using WriteLine and ReadLine, we can populate application name and application description string variables. These variables are passed to an instance of an application that has been created using the WSDL of the web service, plus we have hard-coded, for the sake of this example, the legal link, feedback link, privacy links, community links, sign-in help link fields. The next step is to create a new credential instance based on system.net.network credential, and we will pass the username as the portal username and the password as the portal web service access key token that we have previously created. Next step is to create a web service instance and then pass this credential to it. Last but not least, we are invoking the create and passing by reference the application. We are passing by reference the application because this will return back populated by the application key that we gather in the app key string variable, and then we will show this in the WriteLine directly to the console. By clicking Start or pressing F5, we can run the console application in debug mode. This will prompt for the application name. Just type Fabricam app, hit return, and then type the application description, Fabricam development app, and hit return. This will contact the web services and will create a brand new record and will return you the key for the Fabricam app application. If we then go back to the Microsoft Dynamics NAV Management Portal and click on Applications, we might notice that a brand new record has been created. And if we click on the Fabricam app record and then click on Links, we might notice that everything has been populated through web services. Thank you for watching this How Do I video. Goodbye.